This is Light of the World in the Key of C by Lauren Daigle. I hope you love this beautiful song. It's so lovely. Make sure to click on the description below, and I do have the printable chord sheet that you can print out, follow along with me. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords that are in this song. This is actually really simple how this is laid out. We don't have any black notes. So we have C, D minor, E minor, F, G, and A minor. So while we have 6 chords that could seem complicated, look how they are laid out in our piano. So here's our C chord, which is C, E, G. Okay, see that same shape where we have every other note? Let's do that and just move up one note. Now we are at the D minor. D, F, A. Okay, freeze that position in your hand. Just kind of freeze, move up one note. That is an E minor. E, G, B. Okay, move up and do it again. We have an F chord. F, A, C. Move it up again. G, B, D is a G chord. And if you move it up one last time, we are in our A minor position. A, C, E. Okay, so that's pretty handy. And you are going to have sometimes in this song where it's going to go in that pattern where you might go a D minor, E minor, F, as in the pre-chorus. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so review. We have C chord, D minor, E minor, F, G, and A minor. All right, let's do the left hand single notes to keep this simple. We're going to put pinky on C. That's what feels comfortable for me. And you're going to play C with our C chord. Okay, so single note to C chord in the right hand. D minor to D in the bass. E minor to E. F to F. G to G. And A minor with A in the bass. Notice how that left hand thumb just opened up. See, I didn't have to move my hand all over the keyboard and lose my position. I'm just going to move that really simply like that when I play my A minor. Okay? All right. So let's take a look at a rhythm that's going to bring the two hands together. We're going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Very simple marching rhythm. You can practice that on the D minor. And just get your hands used to playing that. Sometimes it's crazy how the brain, you tell it to do something and it does something completely opposite. Okay, so just practice that rhythm. Okay, so let's add in some vocals. I'm just going to sing through verse 1 so you can see what it looks like, because verse 2 is going to have a lot of similarities to that as well. Okay, so let's just see that verse 1 with vocals. The world waits for a miracle. The heart longs for a little bit of hope. Oh come, Emmanuel. A child prays for peace on earth. She's calling out from a sea of hurt. Oh come, Emmanuel. See how lovely that is? Let's move into that pre-chorus. And can, D minor, you, E minor, hear, F. Okay, let's repeat that. The angels singing. See that nice just marching up rhythm? You're just going from that D minor, E minor, F, D minor, E minor, F, and then G. That's your pre-chorus, okay? That comes in handy. Okay, so let's look at chorus. We have A minor. Look at how that thumb just opened up in my left hand. F, glory, C, to the light of the world, G, glory, to the light of the world, bring it back to verse 2. The drought breaks with the tears of a mother. F. Baby's cry is the sound of love. Come down. A minor. Come down. Emmanuel. C again. He is the song for the suffering. He is Messiah, the Prince of Peace. Oh, come. He has come, Emmanuel. Okay, then you can jump into that pre-chorus. D minor, E minor, F. The angels singing. Okay, let's take a look at that bridge. For all who wait, C. For all who hunger, it's the F chord. For all who've prayed, A minor. For all who wonder, F. For behold your King. Behold Messiah, Emmanuel, Emmanuel. Pretty. Okay, so let's look at chorus 3, which is the same as chorus 1, really. You're just doing that. Glory to the light of the world. A minor, F. Read to the light of the world. Glory to the light of the world. Okay, I'm going to play it beginning to end. Here we go. Have a lot of fun with this one. It's so pretty. The world waits for a miracle. The heart longs for a little bit of hope. Oh come, Emmanuel. A child prays for peace on earth, and she's calling out for a sea of her. Oh come, Emmanuel. Can you hear the angels singing? Glory to the light of the world. Glory to the light of the world is here. The drought breaks with the tears of a mother. A baby's cry is the sound of love. Come down, Emmanuel. He is the song for the suffering. He is Messiah, the Prince of Peace. Oh come, Emmanuel. And can you hear the angels singing? Glory to the light of the world. Glory waits for